this 2020, it was a memorable year for everybody, and pandemic, yeah, I hate it. In this fall, I wanted to make something creative. I wanted to make a filmmaking, videography, like in the YouTube, and in order to level up my skills. But you know what, in the finals, in this semester, fall semester, that was really busy for me as an international student because that was the pandemic and I had to take a class under the like 16 or 17 hours of the time lag via the Zoom. After that, I wanted to make something creative. So yesterday I took a shot in the bathroom with the GoPro, and after that I imported the footage to the MacBook, and it says what? So welcome you guys to my channel. My name is Shoro, and if you do not even know who I am, just please subscribe. And okay, let me talk about this photo. This photo is amazing and I love it, but I want to talk about step by step because this photo is shot in the bathroom. But before I talk about it, I just want to clarify, if I say bathroom in Japanese, it's just a bathroom. I mean the bathtub and the shower. But in the foreign country, let's say in America, you guys say the bathroom. It combined with the bathroom and the toilet, restrooms. I was taking a photo in the bathtub, and the only reason why I did is there was a few natural lights in the bathroom. So if I try to take a photo or filming where the natural lights are everywhere, I cannot even control them because I want to control the lights goes, like angles, lights, and shadows. I want to control that. And in the bathroom, I had a flashlight and such a huge light, something like there. Even this is like yellowish. I wanted to control the lights, so that was the only reason why I took a shot in the bathroom. That was cool though. And if I just try to film in the bathroom, that is so weird, and everybody's gonna notice, hey Shoro, what is doing in the bathroom? So I just wanted to be a natural, like this is like instant studio as in the bathroom. So I covered it up all over the windows because I do not want to have the natural lights from the windows, so I covered it up with the blue sheet. And also I wanted to have such a cool background in order to make it such a nice pretty photo. So I grabbed the tablecloth from the garage, and this is what it looks like. You know, this one is amazing because on the background it says like tea, honey, sauce, you know, food words, and I love the food words because it matched with the food photo and this tablecloth. So I like this tablecloth. That's one of the tips. So let me talk about the settings, the object, and what I had on the bathtub. It was a bit crazy. I grabbed food from the fridge, I grabbed the banana, and I grabbed the wine bottle with the glasses. Maybe my parents would be mad at me, but I didn't really care about it at the moment. I grabbed everything to the bathroom and I was settled down on the bathtub. When I organizing the stuffs and the foods on the bathtub, I realized this background tablecloth does not have enough length or width to cover up this bathtub. So maybe you can see this white bathtub and it was really unnatural for you. So there's some tricks, and it might be a little bit weird or unnatural for you, but I supported up this table with something. And first of all, I supported up with the bucket, but this bucket was really tall and unstable, so afterwards I supported this table with this Kleenex, and this Kleenex has the enough length with the ground to this here, and it's kind of stable, and I wanted to make it look like this one is on the center and the focus should be on the cheesecake, and you don't have to see the bathtub, like white bathtub. So it worked out in a good way. And my theme for this photo is making a such bouquet on the background, so you can see the bananas, spices, wine bottles. They are making such a bouquet, and the all focus should be on the cheesecake. So that's what I wanted to make. I set like 8 or 7 focus on this camera, and I was really ready for it. I tried to take some shots with this lens like several times, and this is what it looks like. As I take shots, I realized this one is really unnatural for me because you know, it's kinda like symmetry on the center. You can see the spices and the grasses, even the forks and the knives, cheesecakes are two of them. That is symmetry. But on the right side, you have the banana. On the left side, you have the bottle with the wine. And that is too unnatural, you know, asymmetry. Why did I have the bananas? I don't even know why I did it. But this is what it looks like. So this is so weird for everybody who sees this photo. So I brought another wine bottle glasses in here, and this is what it looks like. You know, I try to make a symmetry. Both of sides you have the wine glasses and wine bottles, and this is what it looks like, and that is what I love it. You know, no bananas. It was too yellow because the light was yellow and the banana itself, that was yellow, so it was too yellow for everybody. But these shots looks like, you know, I could make a bokeh even though these bokehs are so nice, and I was happy about it, but I had a feeling that I can improve and level up a little bit more as making the bokeh. So I used another lens, and this is another lens, and this lens can make the best bokeh since this lens is so small. So I tried it with the several times, and this is what it looks like, the best. So I tried to take a shot with the different angles, different size, and this is what it looks like. You know, the focus on the cheesecake and on the background, that is so the best bokeh on the background. And when I show this photo to my friend, and my photo says this is amazing. Yeah, it is amazing and awesome, and I love it. This is the best photo for me. You know, I love the food photo, and I love these cheesecakes, and I love the December. In the end, I tried it with the several shutter speed and tried to make it look like exposing or exaggerating this cheesecake. It was a bit crazy idea, but what I wanted to do is something like that. You know, since this table is floating in the air, I could not make such a best photo ever. Making this kind of photo is so difficult for everybody, but I tried as I could, and this is what it looks like. You know, it's too shaky and it's hard to see, but maybe you can figure out what I wanted to do, because this shutter speed is 1/8, and you know, cheesecake is exaggerating. I like it. So thanks for watching this video. Do you like photo? Do you like taking a photo? It's videography. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. If you didn't, it's unbelievable, right? So if you like this video and if you like my photo, please thumbs up and please subscribe if you didn't, and I want to see you guys in the next videos. Goodbye.